Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can use Uniswap from an iPhone. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have a compatible wallet app installed on your iPhone like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or whatsoever. And so first you will open your Safari or any web browser that you prefer, and once you're here, what you will have to do is search for app.uniswap.org, and then next you will have to follow the prompts to approve the connection in your wallet app. So you will select your wallet first, of course, so you can just choose from Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, Binance Wallet, Porto, or whatsoever, and then just go ahead and click any of those. And then finally, you can swap tokens, check balances, or add liquidity, and then you will double check that your wallet address matches the connected wallet before trading. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.